Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to share files using Google Drive on your Android device. To get started, open the Google Drive app and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Find the file or folder you want to share, then tap the three-dot menu next to it and select Share. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to share the file with. You can choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the file by adjusting the access permissions before sending the invitation. If you prefer to share a link instead, tap Manage Access or Copy Link, then change the link settings if needed. You can allow only specific people to access the file or make it available to anyone with the link, depending on your preference. Once you've finished, tap Send or share the copied link through your preferred messaging or email app. And that's it, you've successfully shared files using Google Drive. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.